Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel Twinkling Stars Astro. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. If you have yet not subscribed, please click the bell button down below and subscribe my channel for the updates the moment I upload the video to get the notification of it. Alright, this is a channel of occult sciences in which you will get the readings weekly, monthlies, even bi-weeklies as well for your careers, your relationships, your general read and many more. Alright, so do leave your suggestion into the comment box down below so that I can improvise with my videos and get better with it and even with the readings. Alright, this is a general reading, so it might get resonate with you or might not get resonate with you, so don't get hard pressed on yourself. Might not be the message for you, maybe the next week. Alright, and rest of the information is given below into the description box down below, so kindly see to it. So let's begin. Okay, what messages do we have for my Gemini this week? What messages do we have for my beautiful Gemini this week? What messages do we have for my beautiful Gemini this week? Beautiful Gemini this week. Okay, what messages do we have for my Geminis this week? Alright, what messages do we have for my Geminis this week? Okay, what messages do we have for my Geminis this week? What is the challenge for my Geminis? What is the challenge for my Gemini? Okay, how to overcome the challenge. Alright, the final outcome. Okay, final outcome. Alright Gemini, at the bottom of the deck I have this beautiful card, the 10 of Cups, rejoicing the family time as is now, you know. Beautiful Gemini, so let's see what do we have ahead for you, Gemini. Gemini, if I talk about the health, you're pretty full anxiety, you know, full of stress as of now, and you're mentally not well with this 4 of Swords. Alright, you're mentally not well, you're overthinking about something is going on or something has happened, and you're overthinking that, you know, why people are talking about you, or why, you know, why they're talking this way or why they're talking that way. Thinking a lot about the people, so you know the mental health is not that well this week. Alright, so take rest. I would suggest that take rest. Alright, that is very much needed. Talking about your finances are running good for this week with the card of Temperance. Right, direct blessings from the God, so you know, just manage your finances. You know, when you're investing, I believe you might be investing or, you know, putting your money, so you know, put in a quite balance. Alright, plan and then utilize your finances this week. Alright, that will help you more in maintaining your expenditures and your finances stability. Alright, coming at your workplace. Alright Gemini, here is a caution for you. At your workplace, somebody might cheat you. Somebody is already cheating you, and now you'll come to know about it with this Moon card. You know, with this Moon card, somebody is already cheating you. Somebody is, you know, full of you know, agony, full of jealousy of you, and then now is the time when it will come out to you, and you know, you're going to know that okay, somebody is going to backstab you, somebody is going to cheat you this week at your workplace. So be caution at your workplace. Alright, take care of it and just deal maturely with the situation. Alright, coming towards your relationships, beautiful card of the Lovers. Alright, relationships going really beautiful, full of love, full of care, full of whatever relationship is required. Alright, so enjoy the bliss of relationship this week. But workplace is tough. Workplace is tough for this week, so you need to take care at the workplace. The challenge for you for this week is the various options coming along. Alright, now this various options could be in the context of your career, alright, or maybe your finances, because I told you to maintain a balance in your finances, right? Or you might be in a way to invest your finances, alright. So when the options of investing the finances comes along, so there are many options. All right, you've been attracted to more than one or two options, in which you have to choose wisely. Right, because each option is very attracting. Each option is showing you that, okay, please invest here, you will reap this. Please invest there, you will reap this. All right, but then you have to choose carefully. Choosing the best is the challenge for you this week, and how you can overcome the challenge with the mature behavior. By introspecting each and every. This is Page of Cups, by the way. All right, so Page of Cups is all about being immature, but how you can improvise the situation by acting maturely towards all the options and seeing what are the pros and what are the cons, which one is going to benefit you the most. So choose the one which is going to benefit you the most, so that you can reap the most of the benefit of the investment you are going to do. All right, coming towards your final outcome, beautiful cards, the Two of Cups and the what is this, the Eight of Swords. All right, so as I told you, at your workplace you might get the backstab. All right, so this week your eyes are going to get open. All right, because this is the Eight of Swords. It's all about getting blindfolded, but then what I feel is that you're actually getting open from that blindfold, that who's going to harm you or who's backstabbing you, right? And what I feel is that there are two people. With this Two of Cups, there are two people who are trying to do that, and you will come to the reality knowing that who is one of them. All right, or both of them are trying to cheat you for this week. All right, so this is what I have from the tarot. So let me see what the oracle has for you. All right, what is the message? What is the message for my Gemini this week? Okay, look at the bigger picture. All right, Gemini, oracle wants to say, look at the bigger picture. All right, now how this is coming, that looking at the bigger picture, that means even despite somebody is trying to backstab you or somebody trying to cheat you, maybe two people whom you are very emotionally connected, all right, you need to look at the bigger picture. All right, because these are the very small thing at the workplaces or even in the relationships, when you get backstabbed or when you get cheated, right? Not in the relationship at least. All right, these are not small things, this change the entire view of the relationship. But at the workplace, this is something we call competition, and everybody has a, kind of a right to, prove themselves into that competition. All right, so instead of looking the spiddly stuff at this as of now, look at the bigger picture, that how this how you're going to come out of this, and what is the bigger benefit you're getting out of this, because you're surely getting a benefit even from this backstabbing. That could be anything, maybe a new opportunity, maybe a better opportunity, maybe a better job profile, or maybe something. So you need to get open with that blindfolded you are actually sitting with. All right, so now let me have the final message for you, that what is the final message for you for this week. All right, okay, what is the final message for my Gemini this week? What is the final message for my Gemini this week? What is the final message for my Gemini this week? All right, Gemini, beautiful card. We have the Parshuram, the slayer of demons. All right, now the blessings that he is giving to you is teaching ability, ultimate justice for all, skill in the martial arts, converting warrior spirit and qualities into peaceful ones. See, now this is so much coming, now I'm really understanding, this will go like this. I'll show you. All right, so it will go like this. Somebody is trying to backstab you, all right, and then you're converting this, backstabbing into a peaceful one, all right, by looking at the bigger picture. All right, I hope now you're actually understanding that, why this is happening, to actually wake you up towards that bigger picture which is going to benefit you. This is the final message for you. I hope it resonated with you. If it does, then please leave a comment in the comment section box down below. Stay blessed, stay healthy, stay at home. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. God bless.